The Terravia Pack 28-liter is a medium trail backpack, loaded for high mileage days or slightly longer when you don't know if your trip will turn into an overnight. The exterior fabric is a sturdy recycled nylon ripstop with a weather-resistant coating to brush off the elements and scrapes and scuffs too. The back panel and shoulder straps feature breathable, comfortable mesh, and an adjustable hip belt with pockets distributes the load. A simple top loader closure gives access to the main compartment, and the zippered lid pocket keeps essentials close. You can also stash extra gear in the front drop-in pocket for easy access. Pack plenty of water with a hydration reservoir sleeve. The tube can be routed over either shoulder, and dual side pockets for bottles. Secure items with side compression straps and use the bottom loops with top bungee to secure trekking poles. If the weather takes a turn for the worse, throw on the rain cover, which lives in an exterior bottom pocket for fast access. The medium-sized Terravia Pack 28-liter houses all of your trail necessities for a dawn to dusk day or even the unexpected overnight.